Here we are. The two trucks I built. Twinsies. This truck made it up. Alternator's on the fritz. We might have to replace it, but it's all good. He's actually got a brand new one as a backup that the guy gave him when he bought the truck. Two wood-fired pizza trucks built in the backyard. Let's do a quick tour of both of them, shall we?
Dad, you're gonna be famous. You're gonna be famous.
Here, you can. I'll let you sneak out.
Appreciate it.
All right, this one, we've got a double fridge here, or a double clear window door fridge here. Prep table, Art picked up a granite top. We went with white aluminum walls in this. Trimmed it out with the black. Did the AC in black. LED strip lights up there that you can dim. We have the mixer here, hand wash sink. We've got the sink here, oven, hot water heater. That piece that I was just holding is the cover, the beauty ring for there.
Want to put it down?
And all of his shelving. And let's go take a look at mine. Seeing it's got the white aluminum roof too in it. I couldn't be outdone today, so I did a little scrubbing on mine. Get her looking pretty inside. Spark. Let me flip on my lights. I got the two-door fridge here too. Mine's a little bit, it's not as tall. It's a little bit wider and not as deep, which is nice because it gives you a little bit more room. Not much. Look at that. I hit that diamond plate hard today. I'd spent 4 hours in here cleaning, removed all the refrigerators, cleaned behind it, but I've got diamond plate. I've got FRP walls in this one. Ready for action. Gotta roll some dough here in a minute. Little odds and ends. Spot for boxes. My shelves are set up a little bit different. Mixer's over here. Oven. Window's a little bit smaller. Paper towel. Hand wash.
You didn't show them my spot in your truck.
Yeah. So that's it, guys. Tour of a couple wood-fired pizza trucks. Inspection in the morning. We're at $9.99. We need one more subscriber. Give it to us. I'll upload this in a few. I'm gonna go ahead and
Like and subscribe, guys.
go ahead and we'll get some dough rolled. We're gonna get Art's truck parked so the inspector can come and look at it. Man,
Like I'm in New York
look
Club
at
or
the diamond
something.
plate. It's been a while since I've hit that. She's sparkling.
Probably gonna have to wear sunglasses.
So same exact truck, but just different designs, different attitudes. Workers. Workers. All right, guys. This is a very proud moment for me. I mean, I'm showing off my workmanship here. I'm excited. Those trucks look so cool outside. All right, guys. One more subscriber. Give it to me. Thank you. Thank you. This is so cool.